Right, hello there guys, welcome back to a new video. Now in today's video we are again back at Graham's. I don't know how many more videos are going to be here, but trust me, pretty much everyone is here at the moment. Yeah, we're back at Graham's and today we are looking at a head gasket destroyer 3000. Let's crack with it. So yeah, we are looking at a Subaru Impreza, and as you can see, it's up on axle stands. Typical Subaru, because it's probably broken. Fred's over there shaking his head because he's the one that owns it. You may remember him from the, what was it, a 118 or 120?
120D M Sport.
Yeah, 120D M Sport video that I did a couple of years ago. He's upgraded since then, so fair play to him. But yeah, today we are, if I can open the boot on here, doing a full catback exhaust from, where is it? Invidia Motorsport. So this is what, a 3.5 inch catback, or
3-inch catback system.
Yeah.
And then obviously you've got your catback there with the jet can exhaust, typical JDM style.
Yeah.
And then yeah, 3-inch mid pipe section.
Yeah.
Non-resonated, may I ask? So
Yeah.
So she's going to be loud, and my neighbours will hate me when she cold starts.
But yeah, that's what we're chucking on today. It's currently got the standard system on, hasn't it, from factory, or?
No, custom.
Oh, it's got a custom system on.
2.5 inch smaller back box.
Yeah.
And then I think it's a 4 or maybe a 3.5 inch tip.
Yeah. So if you didn't hear that, because there's traffic going past, it is a 2.5 inch custom system into a small back box, and yeah, generic stuff. So how about we get a before shot of this car, we'll do the exhaust, and then we'll see how it sounds after.
We'll give it a little one here. Ready? Yeah.
Right, so we just quickly done an oil change on the car, but everyone knows how to do that. So this is the system laid out, like I said, 3-inch catback. With a tip there, but I'm gonna reveal that last because that's quite pretty. We got all new gaskets, rubber mounts, the lot. Graham's just starting to take the old system off, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. Right, so here we are. The old system is now off. Now, I'm not going to say the company that made this old system because I now don't like them because of her. I don't like them now.
Sounds like a computer company.
Yeah, but this is the old system that was custom made by a said business.
I'm just going to point out it was just a stopgap. That's what
Yeah.
I'm going to say.
Yeah, and I don't know if you've realised this, but that is not a back box. That is a centre box that they've used as a back box. And
I wonder why it burbled.
yeah, like there's a nice new one. As you can see, like the diameter difference is like uncanny. Like, let's try and get this like.
That's like Zach girth, and that's like Fred girth.
There you go. Look at that. Like that's
Skinny boy.
ridiculous.
Skinny boy, thick boy.
But yeah, no. So the nice brand new shiny system's going on. He's got all his rubber johnnies to put on it, as you can see. New ones.
Stay protected.
Not that the old ones were bad. I mean, look at these. Like, these ain't too bad, but
it's just me.
Yeah.
Basically, if I'm doing, like most people would, if you're doing, say, an exhaust or something like that.
it's just best to have new hardware, innit?
Yeah.
I mean, I know that, but I never follow that because I'm cheap. So that's why Graham's probably got grey hairs already. Yeah, but yeah, no. So obviously this is the front part, so where the back box is, and that is an actual back box.
That's a jack can. That is a jack can.
And shall we reveal the tip now or wait till it's on the car?
We'll wait until it's on the car.
Yeah? Well,
Yeah.
there you go, look, we've gone for a bit of cardboard because he's cheaped out, so there you go, sorted, job done.
You're just gonna.
Right, so the back box is on. As you can see, we went for the cardboard effect with the red sticker.
I told you it's weight reduction.
Yeah, exactly. So, no, that's actually revealing because it's quite nice. Go on.
Right, ready?
Yeah. Look at that.
Burnt titanium tip.
That is
And
lovely.
obviously, if you come around there, you can see obviously Invidia's branding.
There. That is nice. That is definitely more suiting to the Subaru.
Yeah.
Now it's not hanging correctly at the moment because, well, the rest of it's over there still.
Yeah, well, we've
But
got some of but
that does look way better than that little puny fucking dick munching thing.
like
I don't
I
know.
said, temporarily, I was going to change it anyway, so
Yeah,
why not go for the best?
yeah. But that looks banging, and it's angled as well, providing it stays like that when that's on. It's angled, and I love that.
From what I've seen, picture-wise, I actually do stay angled like that.
Yeah,
So it gives a little bit of like...
Yeah, that back box with this exhaust. Yeah, you can see that on the back box here, and you've got the mount
yeah,
for it there. But with that one, all of the mounts are on the back box, and the pipe just is hung between the downpipe and the back box. So that is how that is going to sit pretty much.
nice.
Might get pushed out a little bit more.
Yeah, but then a little bit of poke ain't too bad.
No.
So yeah, we're just gasketing it up. I can't talk. And then we'll put that on. Right, so the car is now all done. If I get under here quickly, we'll see how it looks. There you go, look at that.
Shiny.
All nice and shiny. And then it bolts up to the main key old fucking downpipe.
I've got to get that done at a later stage.
Yeah, no, I don't blame you. But yeah, it looks all nice and shiny. And then obviously that's how it looks from the rear now. Nice little shot. So yeah, we're just gonna get it off the axle stand and then probably fire it up. Right, so we've just done a couple of little like button ups and crap like that. You know, the usual. So let's hear this thing run. That is a lot better.
Sounds better.
It does. Oh, that is lovely. Listen to it idle, it's going gasket. No, it's warmed up a bit now and it's quieted down quite a bit.
I'm going to reverse it anyway because we need to see if there's any oil.
Yeah, but it does sound alright to be fair.
Yeah.
Oh, that pops a lot. Oh.
Now I'm waiting with the blob eyes because he's got 2.5 inch, 5 inch jack can on it.
Yeah,
Just lets up.
I love that. Alright, so here we are, we're in it. We're going to go out for a quick spin. There will be a full review coming on this car when it's ready. When are you expecting for it to be ready?
If you're willing to wait, it'll be next year.
Yeah.
I know it's a long time to wait, but I've got to start now collecting parts.
Yeah.
Sorting some other bits out on it, i.e. clutch will have to be done after it's mapped.
Yeah.
Bits and pieces like that. But yeah, at the moment, next year, unfortunately. I know it's a wait for you, because I know you want to get this on the channel.
Yeah, I do. But I suppose we can give them a bit of a teaser now. So we're going to go out for a spin, see how it sounds, see how it performs.
I've got to see how it sounds with the windows up and then down, because
and then full review on this car, all specs, everything will be coming, like you heard, next year. But let's see what it's like. We'll just wait for Mr. Graham.
That sounds a lot better.
Does that? Sounds like a helicopter.
Yeah, that little bit.
Yeah, that was nice, that.
All I can say is hats off to you, Graham. Thank you for doing this. What? Yeah, just give me a gap now. Alright, ready?
Go for it, mate. Definitely quietens up a bit when you step on it.
Yeah.
See what it's like with the windows up.
Yeah, because there might be more cabin noise now.
Yeah, possibly. Right. Saying that, it's actually quite nice in here. You can hear the burble, but it's not obnoxious.
Yeah. I think what is kind of holding it now is obviously 2.5 inch downpipe.
Yeah.
When the 3 goes on, it will be obnoxious.
Yeah.
Because Pete's one, that's the downpipe as well.
Yeah.
So his is a whole 3 inch.
You might find that you want a resonator in it then.
Yeah.
If you're using it every day.
Oh, this is just a weekend type. So,
Yeah, so you should be alright.
yeah. But yeah, if I was to use it daily, then yeah, I imagine that would just drone on forever.
So you might find that if you want to do track events or anything like that, you might need to put a resonator in.
Yeah, because I think this is, what's the limit on them?
Go for it.
Second gear,
It's so quiet in here with the windows up.
but I guarantee when you hop out,
Yeah.
you'll get it, because that's the thing. All the clips I've seen.
Yeah. Go. Oh. Right, so we're all back now. Let's just see how it sounds revved up warm.
Because it's now warm.
Yeah. I like the way that pops. That is nice.
You've still got the 2.5 at the front, so there's still a bit of back pressure.
Yeah. But yeah, no. So that is this this video wrapped up pretty much. I think Fred's a happy man.
I am a happy man.
Car sounds awesome. Car looks awesome. But even though it's dirty, it still looks cool. But yeah, we're now going to go out and film a video. Well, I say we're going to go out. We're going to film a video on this car, but I'm not going to tell you what we're filming on it because it's going to be a surprise and it's going to be the next video after this. But yeah, Turd Lido's coming back for another episode, and I think you guys will be surprised. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good jazz, and more importantly, I'll see you guys in the next one.